let's sing along. Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Sing Along. And today I'll be taking you down to the jungle. So are you ready? So let's start. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big elephant washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with a bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big gorilla washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with a bum 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 bum, tom 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 tom, bum 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 bum, tom 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 tom, bum 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 bum, tom 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 tom. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a slithering snake washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with a bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a naughty monkey washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with a bum 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 bum, scratch 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 scratch, bum 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 bum, scratch 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 scratch, bum 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 bum, scratch 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 scratch. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a scary crocodile washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with a bum 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 bum, snap 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 snap, bum 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 bum, snap 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 snap, bum 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 bum, snap 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 snap. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a grizzly bear washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with a bum 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 bum, growl 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 growl, bum 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 bum, growl 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 growl, bum bum bum, growl growl growl. That's the way he washes his clothes. So, do tell me, how do you like this jungle rhyme? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.